I met Jim in high school at Flagey High School here in Louisville, Kentucky. He was the head basketball coach, and fortunately he was able to lead us to win the Kentucky High School Basketball Championship in 1960.
I played for Coach Morris from 1981 to 1985 here at IUS, and have remained great friends with Coach up to this very day.
He's a role model in the way he thinks, in the way he acts, and in his values. He also has been a tremendous coach.
Coach Morris has a way of bringing people together. He is a man that you can sit down and the first time you meet him, you know him. I think he knows everyone in Clark and Floyd counties.
When this university was in its infancy, he was out there in the community. He was trying to build something. He really, in my opinion, was oftentimes the face of this university.
He had to get somebody that had the vision, and he had the vision. And thank goodness that he was here at the right time, at the right place, and had the vision.
He's a very humble person. He just thinks he's just a basketball coach, but he's much, much more than that. He's a teacher.
Jim believed in the word student athlete as student first and being an athlete secondly.
I think where he really gets his joy, as I think any coach would, is seeing his players be successful in life. And he certainly has made a difference in so many people's lives. So he must be one happy guy.
Chancellor's Medallion Award is a wonderful tribute to people that have done a lot of things for the university and for the community. And I think that he is certainly one that you would want to receive that award.
Coach has built people. He has a long lineage of people who he can look back on and be very, very proud. That he's really made an impact with people.
And if you think of that, if he's made such an impact on that many people, and even a small percentage are in our community, we're very fortunate for Coach Morris.
Coach Morris, I'm so happy you were chosen as this year's Chancellor Medallion recipient. I can't think of anyone who's more deserving. So on behalf of Jeannie, Hurtis, and all the coaches that you have supervised, I want to say congratulations. And to you and Joanne, we love you and we wish you all the best.
Jim, congratulations. You finally made the big times again. I cannot think of a better person to be recognized and be given the Medallion Award for the work that you've done here on this campus. You made this university improve itself immensely over the years because of your work.
Coach, my parting shot would be this. Thanks for everything that you have done for both me and the hundreds of student athletes that you have touched. I wish you health and happiness for you and Joanne in the years to come. Thanks for being my mentor.
Coach Morris, first of all, I want to congratulate you on being recognized for this award, very prestigious award. And secondly, on behalf of the 1960 State High School Championship team, I would like to thank you for making a difference in our lives. Thanks, Coach.
Coach, I want to thank you personally for all you've done for me, not just giving me the opportunity to be a college athlete and to get a college education, but for what you've meant to me personally from a standpoint of a friend, someone who has always been there for me. And I want you to know that I think the world of you and I wish you the very best.